Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I use LangChain and OpenAI models to generate content for my little social media project. Because manually writing descriptions for Raccoon photos is apparently my life now. And yes, LangSmith is here too, quietly judging all my prompts. Down here you can see the old description typed manually, just a few hashtags, nothing special. But if we scroll up we can see a lot better description with actual call to actions, a lot more hashtags. So typically you would fill up the form and submit it, but now you have this generate with AI button where you provide some parameters, submit it, and it will hand you a really good description, a lot more hashtags, submit it, and there we go, our raccoon ready for fame. Now let's hop on the LangSmith and see what's going on behind the scene. First, let's open our request, and we get the system prompt living in the LangChain microservice. You can see I'm highlighting it now. Then the human prompt, whatever masterpiece you typed in, and finally the structured output, looking good and professional. On the right, you're gonna see a lot of juicy details: cost, so you can cry responsibly, latency, how long it took to sync, status, hopefully success, type, super handy when you're debugging. Now let's take a look at our architecture. You have your front end, then the API gateway, then LangChain microservice, and calling GPT model. I use the 4.0 structured response. Now let's take a look how it's looking in Docker. Specifically, we're gonna dive deep to a LangChain service. Source code for the microservice. Everything starts with main.py. First, our imports. We love imports. Then we load environment variables from .env, because hard coding keys is how you get fired. And then next, LangSmith tracing gets turned on, so every request is logged, tracked, and forever remembered. We use FastAPI to expose our endpoints and initialize LangChain with GPT-4o. Then we define our Pydantic models, one for incoming requests, one for outgoing responses, because we want them both to behave like adults. We create our system prompt template, and you will see it pop up in LangSmith later, looking all neat. There's also a simple health check, because even microservices deserve a wellness check. And finally, the post endpoint, the hero that does all the actual processing. To test everything, I jump into Postman, fill out the JSON, hit send, wait a second, and structure response delivered. It's like a fast food, but for data. Alright, that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me and LangChain and our slightly over dramatic raccoon. If you found this helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, make sure to hit subscribe. Seriously, you don't miss the next video, where I will show you how to choose the right OpenAI model for the job. See you in the next one.